Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. People are joining from different places. And I welcome all of you to Ashok IT. And today we are here to discuss about our new training program on DevOps with multi-cloud. So this is DevOps with multi-cloud master program. As part of our today's session, we are going to discuss the introduction part for this course. So here you are going to understand who is your trainer for this course and what are the prerequisites in order to attend this course and what we are going to learn as part of this course, what is the roadmap of our course, what is the course content that we are going to cover as part of these classes. Okay, and the next one, course details. What are the timings of the course and what is the duration of the course, how to get the class notes, how to access class videos, daily, how many hours class will be available, weekly, how many days the classes will be available. And at the end, we are going to discuss about any questions that you guys are having. At the end of the session, you guys can interact with me and you can ask me if you have any question. So today, this is the agenda for our session. And today is the first session for DevOps with multi-cloud master program. As part of our session today, we are going to learn, we are going to understand who is your trainer for this course, what are the prerequisites you should have in order to attend this course, and what is our course content, what is the roadmap of this course and course details. At the end of the session, you guys can interact with me and you can ask me any questions that you are having. All right. So the first part, coming to your trainer details. So I'm the trainer for this DevOps with multi-cloud program, guys. My name is Mr. Ashok and I'm having total years of experience in IT. So total I'm having 12 plus years of experience in the IT industry. And currently I'm working for a company as a project manager. Okay, I'm working for a banking sector company, USA-based banking company project we are developing. And along with this 12 years of IT experience, I'm also having around 8 plus years of experience in the training, guys. Okay, and I have started this Ashok IT Institute in the year of 2020. Okay, and coming to my skill set, so I started my career as a Java developer. Okay, I'm very good in the Java, Spring Boot microservices. I'm good in the Linux. I'm good in the cloud computing, and I'm good in the DevOps. Okay, so this is my skill set, guys. I'm basically started my career as a Java developer. Then later, I started working as a DevOps engineer and a cloud engineering company. Good. So my name is Ashok and I'm having total 12 years of experience in the IT industry. My current role is project manager. I'm having 8 plus years of experience in the IT trainings, software trainings. My skill set, Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Linux, a cloud, and DevOps. And I started this Ashok IT Institute in the year of 2020. So in this month, May 20th, we are going to complete 5 years for Ashok IT. Good. So this is very quick introduction about myself. And coming to the prerequisites to attend these classes. In order to attend this DevOps with multi-cloud, so what are the prerequisites? Who is eligible to attend this DevOps with multi-cloud program? So to be frank, guys, there are no specific prerequisites available to join this course. No specific prerequisites to join this course because we are going to start this course from zero to hero. So I'm going to assume that you are completely new to this DevOps concept. So I'm going to start the concepts from the zero level to the hero level. And the only thing you need to spend 4 months of time with us, then I can make you DevOps with multi-cloud engineer. So the only prerequisite, you should spend 4 months of time in order to complete this course. And you should have real interest to become a DevOps engineer. Okay. And so daily 1.5 hour class will be available for you and 1.5 hour practice is required for you because this is completely practical oriented training. So in the daily class, theoretical topic will be available. Practicals also will be available in the live session. After the class is completed, definitely you need to do the practice for 1.5 hour. then only you will get the benefit out of this course. So in order to attend this DevOps with multi-cloud, there are no specific prerequisites, guys. Anybody can join. This is a 0 to hero course. The only prerequisite, you should spend 4 months of time in order to learn this DevOps with multi-cloud, and you should have real interest to become DevOps engineer. So daily 1.5 hour practice you need to do, and 1.5 hour class you have to attend. Okay, so these are the prerequisites. Now, sir, who are eligible to attend this course? Who are eligible to attend this course? First one, already if you are having some experience, 90% of the people who are attending this class already, they're having some experience in the IT. Some people are having experience in Linux. Some people having experience in the infrastructure. Some people having development experience. Some people having UI experience, like that. If you are already having some IT experience, then 100% you are eligible to attend this DevOps with multi-cloud. Sir, I don't have any IT experience. I'm a fresher now. Is it recommended for this course? Is this course is recommended for me as a fresher? Yes, fresher also can learn this DevOps with multi-cloud. There is no problem, because every software engineer should have some knowledge on what is cloud, how companies are working with the cloud, what is the DevOps, how companies are adopting this DevOps culture in order to deliver a project to the client. A fresher also can learn this DevOps. And sir, I am having some career gap. Okay, I completed my graduation or my PG 3 years back, 4 years back. I'm having some career gap. So career gap people also can attend this DevOps course. There is no problem. Okay, and sir, I am working in non-IT. Am I eligible? Am I eligible in order to attend this course? Non-IT people also can join for this DevOps, because it is not that much difficult. So here, coding knowledge is not required. Sir, I don't know Java. Sir, I don't know Python. Can I learn this DevOps with multi-cloud? 100%. Coding knowledge is not required to learn the DevOps. So that is the reason I'm saying that. So non-IT people also can join for this course. Freshers also can join for this course. Career gap people also can join, and already the people who are having some experience in the IT, those people also can join for this DevOps. So this is 0 to hero course, guys. No prerequisites available. The only prerequisite, you need to spend 4 months of time, and you should have real interest to become the DevOps engineer, and daily attending the live classes, doing the practice is important. Then definitely you can become a DevOps engineer. Good. Who are eligible to attend this course? Experienced people can attend. Freshers also can attend. Career gap people can attend. Non-IT people also can attend. Okay. And one thing here, sir, I'm a fresher. Can I get the job as a DevOps engineer? DevOps fresher jobs are very, very, very rare in the market. Okay. DevOps fresher jobs are not available in the market. When the company is looking for a DevOps engineer, definitely they will prefer experienced DevOps engineers, guys. So as a fresher, getting the job on the DevOps is little challenging task. So when the fresher is learning this DevOps, then you need to think on this point, guys. Okay, DevOps will help you to understand the deployment process. Cloud will help you to get the complete clarity on the infrastructure. But if you are complete fresher, if you want to get into the IT as a DevOps engineer, for freshers, job opportunities are very, very, very less in the market. Okay, when the company is looking for a DevOps engineer, they will expect minimum 3-4 years of experience. Okay, so if you are a fresher, if you have interest to learn the DevOps and cloud, to upskill yourself, to showcase in your resume, then you can join. But only on DevOps getting the job as a fresher is difficult. Minimum you need to mention 3 to 4 years of experience. So to keep 3 to 4 years of experience on the DevOps and cloud, how much knowledge, how much practical knowledge is required, that I am going to provide as part of this course. So that is the reason I told that this is DevOps with Cloud Master Program. So after this course is completed, you are equal to 4 years experienced DevOps engineer. So how the 4 years people will work in the company, in the same way you can work in the company. That much knowledge, that much practicals we are going to do as part of our course. Are you guys clear with my point? Who are eligible to attend this course? Experienced people can attend. freshers can attend, career gap people can attend, non-IT people also can attend. But when fresher is attending this DevOps, just for knowledge purpose, you can attend, but getting the job as a DevOps fresher is very, very, very difficult. Are you clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? Could you please confirm in the chat box? Are you able to follow me? Yes, very good. Now, so we understood who is the trainer for this course and what are the prerequisites for this course and who are eligible to attend this course also. Good. Next one, sir, what is our course content? What we are going to learn as part of this course? What is the roadmap of this course? So this course content, I'm going to divide into multiple modules. So I have divided this course content into multiple modules. So what we are going to learn in the first module? In the first module, we are going to understand software project details. Okay. So first we are going to understand what is a software project, what is the project architecture, what is the technology stack of the project, what is the software development lifecycle, what is the waterfall model, what is agile model. For non-IT people, this topic is very, very, very important. Okay. So in this software project details module, I'm going to explain what is software project and why to develop the software project and project architecture, how a software project will be developed and what are the technologies available in order to develop a software project. What is front end, what is back end, what is database, what kind of technologies are available in order to develop the software projects that we are going to understand. Then we are going to discuss about software project development lifecycle. Then we are going to discuss about what is waterfall model. Then we will discuss about what is agile model. So this first module is very theoretical module, guys. So I'm going to tell you what is project, why project, because this module is mainly for the non-IT people. What is software project? Why these many companies are developing these many software projects? What is the architecture they are going to follow to develop a project? What are the technologies they are using in order to develop a project? How the project will be developed? What is the software development life cycle? What is the waterfall model? What is the agile model that we are going to discuss in the first module? Then after this, coming to module 2. In the module 2, we are going to discuss about DevOps introduction. Okay, when I say DevOps introduction, we are going to understand what is the DevOps, okay, and why this DevOps came into market. What is this DevOps and why DevOps came into market, and what is our DevOps life cycle? What is the DevOps life cycle and what are the DevOps tools available? We are going to understand what are the tools available in the market, and we are going to discuss about the overview of each DevOps tool. Then we are going to discuss about roles and responsibilities of DevOps engineer in the project. Okay, we are going to understand, you are going to understand what are the roles and responsibilities of DevOps engineer in the project. All of you, could you please confirm? Is my voice clear for everybody? All of you, is my voice clear for everybody? Good, fine. So first we are going to understand what is software project, okay? And we are going to understand why to develop the project, what is the technology stack of the project in the industry, what is software development lifecycle, and what is the waterfall model, and what is agile model. Then coming to the second module, in the second module, we are going to understand what is the DevOps, why DevOps, and what is the DevOps lifecycle, what are the DevOps tools available in the market, and what is the purpose of those tools. And we are going to discuss roles and responsibilities of DevOps engineer in the IT industry. Okay, so with this, theoretical discussion will be completed. These first two modules are completely theoretical modules only, guys. You are going to understand what is DevOps, why DevOps, what are the tools available, what is the purpose of each tool, how to use those tools in the project, how to adapt to the DevOps culture, why companies are adopting this DevOps culture, why DevOps is having that much demand in the market. All those things we are going to discuss as part of this module 1 and module 2. Okay, once this is completed, then we are going to start with our module 3. That module 3 is Linux operating system. Okay, module 3, that is Linux operating system. If you want to become a DevOps engineer, you should have a strong knowledge on Linux operating system. Without having the knowledge on the Linux operating system, you can't work as a DevOps engineer. So I'm going to explain Linux commands, which are very important for DevOps engineer in the job life. So every day we are going to work on Linux machines only. What are the DevOps tools available? All the DevOps tools we are going to install on the Linux machines only. So we are going to understand what is Linux, why Linux, and how to set up the Linux machines and how to work with those Linux machines. Okay, guys. Are you able to follow me? Are you able to follow me? Are you guys able to follow me? Come on. So what is our module 3? What we are going to learn as part of this module 3? Module 3, we are going to understand Linux, guys. We are going to discuss about Linux operating system as part of our module 3. Then next one, module 4. Next one, module 4, we are going to learn about DevOps tools. Okay, DevOps tools we are going to learn are AWS Cloud we can learn here. Linux operating system, then module 4, AWS Cloud we are going to learn. As part of the AWS Cloud, we are going to discuss 10 plus services like how to create virtual machines in the AWS Cloud by using EC2 service, how to work with network in the AWS by using VPC, how to perform the storage in the cloud by using S3, how to deploy the application by using Lambdas, Beanstalk, EBS volumes, Route 53, like that. Very famous AWS services, 10 plus AWS services we are going to learn as part of our AWS Cloud module. Then along with this, we are going to learn module 6. In the module 6, we are going to learn about DevOps tools. Okay, like Maven, GitHub, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, ELK. So here 15 plus DevOps tools we are going to learn as part of our course. So 10 plus AWS cloud services we are going to learn and 15 plus DevOps tools we are going to learn. Then module 7. Once you got the clarity on these AWS cloud and DevOps tools, then we are going to conduct Azure cloud classes. Okay, then module 8. Module 8, we are going to cover GCP cloud also for you. Azure cloud will be available, GCP cloud. Nowadays, companies are expecting DevOps engineers should know more than one cloud platform. So that's why I'm covering 3 clouds here. One is AWS cloud, second one is Azure cloud, third one is GCP cloud. Okay, if you learn one cloud platform, then working with another cloud platform is very simple. If you learn how to work with one cloud platform, then working with another cloud platform is going to be very simple. Then next one, module 9 will be available. In the module 9, we are going to understand DevOps projects setup. Okay, we are learning several DevOps tools. We are learning several services in the cloud. So how to integrate all these DevOps tools and how to create the real-time CI/CD pipeline, how to deploy our applications with the production grade support, all the real-time scenarios we are going to discuss as part of our DevOps projects setup. Okay, so these are the 9 modules that we are going to discuss as part of our course. Along with this, and for these people, recently we started another module also, Python scripting we are going to cover. Another thing, Python scripting we are going to cover. So the Python scripting classes will be there for 30 days of time. This is free batch for you. This is a bonus that I am going to give you. Bonus course I am going to give you. Nowadays, some companies are expecting DevOps people to have knowledge on some Python scripting. So the people who are attending DevOps with multi-cloud course in our institute, for them, we are providing Python scripting 30 days course free batch for you. You don't need to pay anything for these Python classes. So every month Python scripting classes will be available for the DevOps students. Okay, so every month Python scripting classes will be available for the DevOps students. You can attend those Python classes for free of cost. That is the bonus course that I'm going to give you. Okay, so this is the roadmap of our course. This is the roadmap of our course, and this is the roadmap of our course, and we are going to discuss these course topics like this. Module 1, software project details. Module 2, DevOps introduction. Module 3, Linux operating system. Module 4, AWS cloud we are going to discuss. And module 5, DevOps tools we are going to learn. Module 6, Azure cloud we are going to discuss. Module 7, GCP cloud we are going to take. Module 8, DevOps projects setup. So whatever the tools and cloud services we are learning all these things we are going to integrate, and we are going to set up some projects. So whatever the projects that we are doing here, same projects you can keep in your resume also when you are attending the interview with 3-4 years of experience. Okay, and if you join for this course, we are giving Python course free for you. You no need to pay separate charge for the Python. Python we are going to provide as a free of cost for you people. So if you're interested, then you can join for the Python. Definitely that will be added advantage for your resume. When you add Python scripting, so then you will be having a good weightage for your resume in the market. Are you clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? Very good. Okay, so fine. So I hope you got the clarity, the trainer details, and what are the prerequisites in order to attend this course, and who are eligible to attend this course, and what is our course content. So course content I have divided into multiple modules. First module, software project details. Second module, DevOps introduction. First 2 modules are theoretical modules, guys. For non-IT people, these 2 modules are very, 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 very important. And module 3, Linux OS. Without having knowledge on the Linux operating system, then you can't learn the DevOps. You can't work as a DevOps engineer without having the knowledge on the Linux OS. And module 4, AWS cloud is there. We are going to cover 10 plus services in the AWS cloud in depth. So after these 10 services completed, you can write AWS cloud practitioner certification also. And 15 plus DevOps tools I'm going to cover in depth as part of this course. From 0 to hero level, I'm going to cover these DevOps tools also. Coming to the module 6, module 7, Azure cloud and GCP cloud we are going to teach. And module 8, DevOps projects we are going to set up. So same project you can keep in your resume when you want to attend the interviews. And bonus, Python scripting we are giving. So a free batch for you people. If you are interested, you can attend that. If you are interested, you can attend that. Okay, guys. Good. Now, coming to the details. So what all the services we are going to learn in the AWS, and what all the services we are going to, tools we are going to discuss in the DevOps. Coming to AWS services, I'm going to explain EC2 service, which is used to create virtual machines in the AWS cloud. And we are going to discuss about S3, which is used for storage in the AWS cloud. EC2 to create virtual machines, S3 for storage, RDS for setting up relational databases in the AWS cloud. And the next one, IAM which is used for identity and access management in the AWS. I'm going to discuss about VPC, that is used to manage private network in the AWS, virtual private cloud. And I'm going to explain about Beanstack service to deploy web applications in the AWS cloud. I'm going to explain Lambda's concept in order to deploy your applications with serverless computing in the AWS cloud. And I'm going to explain EFS, which is Elastic File System in the AWS cloud. I'm going to explain CloudWatch service for monitoring the resources in the AWS cloud. We are going to discuss about SNS, which is used for simple notifications in the AWS. And I'm going to explain about a service called EKS service, which is used to set up Kubernetes cluster in the AWS, Elastic Kubernetes service. And I'm going to explain a service called Route 53 service, which is used for domain mapping in the AWS. Our application should be mapped to domain name. To map our application URL to the domain name, we are going to use a service called Route 53. So from the AWS cloud, these are all the services we are going to learn. EC2 almost 10 plus services, 12 services I'm going to cover from the AWS part. EC2, which is used to create virtual machines in the AWS cloud. Guys, all of you able to follow my voice? Am I going speed? Or it is understandable? Am I going, anybody feeling that I'm going speed? No, right? Good. So as part of our course, AWS cloud, we are going to learn in the AWS cloud, 12 services I'm going to teach for you. With these 12 services, you can write AWS Cloud Practitioner certification also. EC2, S3, RDS, IAM, VPC, Beanstack, Lambdas, EFS, CloudWatch, SNS, EKS, Route 53. These are the services we are going to cover from the AWS cloud. So here, next one, coming to the DevOps tools. What are the DevOps tools that we are going to cover as part of our course? Okay, as part of our course, we are going to learn Maven, that is used as a build tool. Another build tool is available, that is Gradle. So earlier people used Maven. The alternate for the Maven is Gradle. Okay, Chaitanya asking EBS and auto scaling. Chaitanya, EBS and auto scaling are part of EC2 only. So EBS is a block storage that is providing the volumes for the virtual machines in the AWS. Auto scaling, load balancer, security groups, everything comes under EC2. EC2 is a big service. Whatever that you are asking, volumes and auto scaling, load balancer is part of EC2 only. They will be covered as part of EC2. And the next one, coming to the DevOps tools. What are the DevOps tools that we are going to learn? What are the DevOps tools that we are going to learn as part of our course? We are going to learn Maven and Gradle, and we are going to learn GitHub and Bitbucket. Okay, Maven and Gradle, they are used as build tools. So developers will write the source code. Directly, we cannot give the code to the client. We need to convert that code into executable format. Suppose if Java application is available, we should convert that into jar file or war file. That's where build tools comes into picture. Maven and Gradle, we are going to use as build tools. Similarly, developers will be working from different locations in our company, right? Some developers from Hyderabad, some developers from foreign countries, some people are in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, different places. All the developers' code, we should integrate at one place. That's where source code repository servers are required. GitHub and Bitbucket, we are going to use as source code repository servers. Okay, and the next one, we are going to discuss about web servers by using Tomcat. Then to perform the code review, we will use a tool called SonarQube. In order to store our project artifacts, project libraries in order to store, we are going to use a tool called Nexus or JFrog. Nexus and JFrog tools will be used in order to store our project artifacts. And the most important tools in the DevOps, Docker, which is used for containerization, and the next one, Kubernetes, which is used for the orchestration, and the next one, Jenkins, which is used for the CI/CD, pipelines development. Then after this, we are going to discuss about Prometheus, which is used for monitoring, Prometheus and Grafana will be available for Prometheus for alerting, Grafana is used for monitoring, and we are going to learn about ELK stack in order to monitor logs of our application, and we are going to learn Terraform, which is used to automate infrastructure setup, and we are going to learn Ansible, which is used for configuration management, and we are going to learn Privy, which is used for security scan, and we are going to learn Jira for the project management. So these are the 15 DevOps tools that we are going to cover as part of our course. Maven, Gradle, GitHub Bitbucket, Tomcat, SonarQube, Nexus and JFrog, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Prometheus, Grafana, ELK, Terraform, Ansible, Privy, Jira. So these are the DevOps tools we are going to learn. After learning these DevOps tools, we will integrate these tools and we are going to set up the projects also. Same projects you can show in your resume when you are attending the interviews. Okay, guys. So you understand what are the tools we are going to learn from the DevOps? What are the services we are going to learn from AWS? From AWS, 10 plus services. When I say 12 services, we are going to cover from AWS. And coming to the DevOps, more than 15 DevOps tools we are going to learn. More than 15 DevOps tools we are going to learn as part of our course. After completion of this course, guys, after completion of this course, you can keep 3 to 4 years experience and you can attend the interviews. After completion of this course, you are going to get that much practical knowledge. You can show 3 to 4 years of experience in your resume and you can attend the interviews also. Are you guys clear? The trainer details and prerequisites for this course, who are eligible to attend this course, and what is our course content, what services we are going to learn from AWS, what services we are going to learn from DevOps, and how many years of experience you can keep, after attending this course. Good. So if you have any questions at the end of the session, you can interact with me and you can ask me your questions. So what are the questions that you guys are having? So definitely I will interact with you and I'm going to clarify all the doubts that you guys are having. I will interact with you and I will clarify all the doubts that you guys are having. Are you clear? Are you guys clear with my point? Yeah, just look at the DevOps tools that we are going to learn. Just look at the DevOps tools we are going to learn. Come on. Maven, Gradle, GitHub Bitbucket, okay, Tomcat, SonarQube, Nexus and JFrog, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Prometheus, Grafana, ELK stack, Ansible, Terraform, Privy, Jira, like this. There are several tools available. All these tools we are going to learn from zero to hero. How to set up this tool, in our machine, how to troubleshoot the issues, everything that we are going to discuss. How to set up this tool, everything that we are going to discuss as part of this. Able to follow me, guys? Yeah, so in the Azure and GCP, what services we are going to cover? Same services, just names will be different. So here in the AWS, it is EC2. In the Azure, it is called virtual machines, Azure VMs. Okay, in the AWS, it is S3. In the Azure, it is blob storage. So like this, same services, different names will be available in the Azure and GCP. I will show the comparison table for multiple clouds. So these services that we are going to learn, same kind of services will be available in the Azure and GCP, just names will be different. So those services we are going to cover in the Azure and GCP also. So here we are going to learn how to work with virtual machines. So the virtual machines in the AWS we will create by using EC2. Virtual machines we can create in the Azure by using Azure VM. In the AWS we have EKS to set up the Kubernetes. In the Azure AKS will be available. In the Google Cloud GCP, GKE will be available. So same services we are going to cover in the Azure and GCP as well. I will show the comparison table for multiple cloud platforms. Do you want to see that comparison now? The services that we are going to cover in the Azure and GCP. AWS services I have listed down with the same different names. The services will be available in Azure and GCP also. Okay. I'm going to show that image for you people. So what services available in the Azure and the GCP? Can you guys see this image now? Can you guys see this image now? Yeah. So in the AWS, we have IAM to manage users. In the Azure Active Directory is available. In the GCP, Cloud Identity IAM is available. In the AWS, to create the database, RDS is available, relational database. In the Azure, SQLDB. In the GCP, Cloud SQL. In the AWS, S3 available. In the Azure, Blob Storage available. In the GCP Cloud, all are same. The functionality is same, only the name is different. In the AWS, we are having CloudWatch to monitor the resources. In the Azure, we have Azure Monitor. In the GCP, we have Cloud Monitor. In the AWS for networking, VPC available. In the Azure, VNet is available. In the GCP, say VPC is available. To create virtual machines in the AWS, EC2 available. In the Azure VMs available. In the GCP, Compute Engine is available. All right. Good. I will share this diagram also in our Google Classroom. I hope all of you are following that Google Classroom. I gave the Google Classroom link in the chat box. This class notes, this class video, I'm going to upload in that Google Classroom. Just click on that link and join. Identity and access management. Yes, Nitin, IAM is identity and access management only. Okay. IAC, infrastructure as a code. Yes, by using Terraform, we can do that. We are going to cover the Terraform. So Terraform is very important, which is used to create infrastructure in the cloud. Infrastructure as code that we are going to learn by using Terraform. Right. Good. So these are the AWS services. For the corresponding AWS services, Azure and GCP services also available here. And the next one, DevOps tools that we are going to cover, I have listed down. So after completion of this course, you can keep 3 to 4 years of experience in the resume in order to attend the interviews. Then coming to the course details, guys. Coming to the course details. So as discussed, name of this course is DevOps with multi-cloud. And for every batch, so in the DevOps, there are multiple batches available. So every 15 days, we are starting one DevOps batch. So this is my 39th DevOps batch, guys. So this is my 39 DevOps batch. This is 39th batch in the Ashok IT for the DevOps course. Okay. And today is the start date of this course, guys. Today is the start date of this course. And the course duration, it is going to take 4 months of time. Okay. 4 months of time you need to spend in order to learn all this syllabus. And coming to course fees is 20,000 for the DevOps with multi-cloud. Live classes will be available. Every day soft copy notes will be provided. Every day class video also will be provided. So the backup videos also will be provided with 1 year validity. This 1 year validity will start after course completion. That means you are going to get 1.5 year access for the videos. So course is going to take 4 months from the course end date. Course end date to next 1 year, the backup videos access will be available for you for the revision purpose. Then every day after the class is completed, I'm going to share the soft copy material for you. Every day live class you are going to attend. Backup videos with 1 year validity will be available. And coming to class timings. So So this class is starting at 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. IST to 8 p.m. IST or 8:15 p.m. IST, the class will be available now. So now the class will happen for 1 hour of time. So after a few days, I will make the class timing 1.5 hour, guys. Initial days, I will take 1 hour session. So slowly I will increase the duration to 1.5 hour going forward. And class frequency. So the classes will happen from Monday to Friday, guys. So Saturday, Sunday classes will not be there. In the weekdays, due to my office work, if I take any leave, then weekends I can take some extra time. If the course syllabus is not completing on time, then I will spend some extra time on the weekends. In general, Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days, our classes are going to happen. Saturday, Sunday, you can utilize for your practice. Saturday, Sunday, you can utilize for your practice, guys. Are you clear with my point? Are you clear with my point? Good. So course name is DevOps with multi-cloud. Batch code is 39 DevOps. Start date is today. Duration 4 months of time. Course fees 20,000. Okay. Live classes, soft copy notes, backup videos, and backup videos with 1 year validity. Class timings will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Initial days. So first 1 month I will take 1 hour. And because a lot of theory is available in the initial classes. So once practicals are started, I will increase the duration to 1.5 hour per day. And class frequency, Monday to Friday, the classes are going to happen. And what all the benefits you are going to get if you join for this DevOps with multi-cloud course in our institute. So every day, I'm going to take the live class for you. Daily live classes will be available. And for every topic, I'm going to share the soft copy material with you. And I'm going to provide backup videos for revision. 1 year validity will be available. Every day at the end of the session, doubts clarification will be there. So after the class is completed, you can directly talk to me. You can interact with me if you have any questions. And I'm going to create one community group for discussion. A WhatsApp group or Telegram group will be created for the communication. And for interested people, we are going to conduct the mock interviews also. If you want to check your skill, what you are learning, we are going to plan mock interviews also for you. And for every topic-wise FAQs also, I'm going to provide. Okay, so these are the benefits you are going to get. Daily live classes will be there for you, and you are going to get the soft copy notes, and we are going to provide backup videos for revision with 1 year validity. So daily doubts clarifications will be there. A group will be available for you people, community group. All these batch people will be part of that group. I will also join in that group. So if you post any question while doing the practice, if you get any issue, I will give the response for you. So I will give the solution for you on that. If you are not able to resolve that problem, in the next day, you can interact with me in the session. You can share your screen, then I will help you to solve your problem. And if you are interested to check your skill, for interested people, we are going to conduct the mock interviews also. And placement assistance also will be available, guys. So we have the placement department on our institute. So whenever we get the company details, like if companies are looking for any DevOps engineer, then definitely we will share the information with you and we can forward your resume to those companies. From our side, we can provide the reference for you if there is any opportunity in our client companies. We are in touch with almost 100 software companies to place the people. So in those companies, if any openings are available for the DevOps engineers or the cloud engineers, then definitely we will inform you in the group regarding your job placement opportunity. Then you can send your resume to the company. Based on your performance, they are going to select you. That is the placement assistance that we are going to provide from our end. Are you clear? Are you guys clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? Okay. So I hope you got the clarity about this course and all. Google Classroom link I am giving once again in the chat box. So after this class is completed, I will share these notes and I will share this video also in that Google Classroom. So please join in that Google Classroom to access the details. Join in the Google Classroom in order to access these details. All of you able to join? Could you please confirm quickly? If you don't join in that classroom, then you will miss the notes and video. Whatever that I'm typing, I will share this file. Whatever I'm typing, I will share this file in this Google Classroom. So please join in that Google Classroom so that you will not miss any updates from me. Just click on the link and join. Please confirm. Are you able to join? Rohan, yes, you can do that also. If you don't want GCP and Azure, you can join for only DevOps with AWS. If you want to DevOps with multi-cloud, you can take that. If you don't want that one, then you can take only DevOps with AWS, not a problem. Only with the DevOps and AWS fees is 16,000, DevOps with the multi-cloud 20,000, 4,000 difference. Okay, good. Fine, guys. Thank you. So with this, I'm done for today. And from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start the regular topic. So no more demo sessions. So only first day demo completed. From tomorrow, our main classes are going to start. This 1 week classes you can attend for free of cost with the same Zoom link, daily 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. With the same Zoom link, you can attend the classes. After 1 week of classes, then you can take a decision whether this course is really going to help you. Am I going to meet your expectations or not? After 1 week, you can take a decision whether to enroll in this course or not. So this 1 week, same class link you can use and same time you can join for the session. Okay, good. Thank you guys. So now I'm giving the option for you people to ask your questions.